Hello everyone, just want to show you how to get to a couple more things on OpenCourt. So when you log in, you click the book, and then I'm going to go to the top left corner where it says menu, and I'm going to go to my to-do list. And some of us get a little confused when we get here, so I want to clarify. If you click somewhere in here and click the down arrow and scroll all the way down, these are my late assignments, whoops. But what I'm showing you today is that you need to scroll down. Then I'm going to click on our assignment for today, which is e-activities. And you'll see it's due on Wednesday. So I want everyone to make sure you click and work through these activities, each one for a few minutes. When you have worked through each one, then you come back and you click Turn in Assignment.